Good morning, student. Today we are going to start new chapter in business study. Okay, beta. In your business study, we are going to start one new chapter, chapter number 4. That name is planning. Okay, beta. That name is planning. Today we are going to start with the planning. Before the starting that planning, I like to discuss something. I think you all are making the plan. All are making plan. That is other things you didn't know the meaning of plan or definition of plan, but sure and certain every day you are making some plan. As early in the morning you are making the plan ki get up early in the morning, then dress up and go to school, and after it's coming from school, then you will go for the coaching and other institution, or going for the play in ground. That is what you are just thinking for future. Okay, you are just thinking for future. You are not thinking what I am doing just now. You are just thinking about the future. After 1 hour, what will you done? After 2 hours, what will you done? It means you are thinking for future. Mainly thinking for future in this present and making a set instruction for that. That is called plan. That is called plan. Okay, beta. As like that, you are taking the decision कि after coming from school, you will go for the play or go for the meet with the doctors. It's what? It's a plan. It's a plan, because in morning you are thinking for evening, and evening is the future for the morning. Okay, beta. That when you are thinking for future or thinking the work that will you done in future in this present only, that is called, or that is the function of plan. Okay, now I am going for the meaning of plan. Actually, planning is just taking decision what will done, whom will done, who will done this, when we are going to do this, where we are going to do this, or just thinking what is your objective now, how you are going to achieve that objective, from whom you are going to achieve that objective, or from which way you are going to achieve that objective. That is called plan. When you are making the system or systematic thinking to what we will done in future, that is called plan. Okay, beta. When you are think for the future, what will done, how will done, when will done, who will done. It means you are thinking for the future objective, future thing that you will done in future. You are just thinking in present. That is called plan. Okay, beta. That is called plan. When you are taking the decision कि after 1 hour, after 2 hours, after 1 month, after 3 months, after 4 months, in future what will done and in which system you will try to done these things, that is called plan. Okay, beta. Clear about the plan? Planning is the system, or planning is the function, is the system. What will done, whom will done, who's it done, when will done, by whom will done. That is called plan. Thinking about the future. Thinking about the future is called planning in this present. Okay, clear? Just when you are going to thinking about the future, in future what we will done at present now, that is called plan. Okay, beta. Clear? Now we are going for the feature of planning. First, planning contribute to objective. It means you are making the objective, and these plan try to make the system by which you are easily achieve the objective. Actually, this plan we are going to make for the achieving this objective only. Objective is decided by the top level management, and then you are going to make our manager, other manager, going to make the plan are thinking the system by which they are easily achieve that objective. That is the plan. It means in the plan we are thinking for achieving this objective. Okay, it means this planning is contributing his work for achieving that objective, because we are going to make the plan. Actually, real thing is that we are making the plan only for achieving that objective. If objective is not set, if target is not set, you cannot able to make the plan. From whom you are going to make the plan? Without taking the decision about the objective. Are you able? First you are taking the decision about the objective, then you are going to make the plan for that, achieving that objective. So this planning is contribute all the system for this objective. By the utilizing of this planning, we are achieve our objective, or easily achieve our objective. So for the achieving of our objective, this planning is just giving the very important role, or this contributing is all the system for achieving that objective. Okay. Next, planning is primary function of management. Actually, when we are going for the management function, the first function is planning. Why? Because without the taking decision or without the thinking what we are going to do or what we are going to do, we are not starting our management system. Because first management is start with the planning. First function. I think you will remember these things. You have to remember this thing. First function of planning management is planning only. Because management start first planning. First they are making the planning for that, achieving that objective, then they are going for other things. Okay beta? First they are going for the planning. After the doing the planning, management start the other function. So we are easily say planning is the primary function of management. Because all the manager, all the level of manager, they are first make the plan, first work for the plan. After the making of plan, they are going for the do the other function or other system. All the manager, all the level of manager, first they are making the plan. Because without them making the plan, they are not going to do anything. Okay, beta? First you are thinking of the plan for the making business, or organizing business also, or starting the business also. That is also the plan. Okay? So planning is the primary function of management. Pervasive. This planning is working on the all level of management. Top level, middle level, lower level. Top level management just make the plan for the making the objective. How to make the policy, how to make the rules, how to make the system, how to make the target. For that they are thinking about the plan. For that they are going to make the plan. For that they are going to work on the plan. By the making the plan, they are going to make the objective. Lower, middle level, they are just making the plan for the achieving that objective set by the top level management. They are just go for the work or just go for the make the plan for achieving the target or objective or system that is making or setting by the top level management. Mainly middle level management making the very systematic and function plan, because they are going to make that system by which they are easy to achieve the target that is set by the top level management. Okay beta? Then lower level management just try to following that plan or making that plan for follow that plan that is given by the middle level management. Middle level management just forward the plan for the working of the lower level management, and lower level management just try to make the plan to follow that things that is given by the middle level management. Are making the system or making the plan by which they try to achieve that things or work with that plan which is given by the middle level management. So we are saying planning is the pervasive. It's working on all level of management. Okay, beta? Clear? Next, planning is futuristic. Futuristic. Always planning is futuristic. In his meaning also we are talking about planning means we are thinking about future. We are making system about the future. We are thinking, we are set the target about the future. That is called planning. So we can easily say that planning is futuristic. In this planning always we are thinking about future. Always we are setting the target for the future. Always we are make the system for the future. Okay, beta? Always we are going to make everything for the future only. Nothing else. For the future only. It means it's all the planning. Actually, what planning you are going to make the beta, that is always made for the future. It means now you are making the plan for what will done on tomorrow, what day after tomorrow, or after 1 week, after 1 month, after 1 year. Okay, for that you are going to make the plan. So always that plan is thinking about the future. Okay, they are making for the all system for futuristics or futuristic. Always thinking about future. Okay, beta? Next, planning is continuous process. Okay, why that planning is not constant? When in every business work is going on continuous, management is going on continuous. When management is going on continuous, they are going to work in continuous, and then they are going to work in continuous. That planning, what planning they are making by the management, that planning is going on continuous, because that is making for the future, and then future will come, then or that system will come, then this plan will work, start working and start working up to that time. Up to that, when you are easily achieve that target, and then again target set, and again planning is working, again you are going to make plan, because management is the continuous process, and when management is the continuous process, and this planning is primary function of management to sure and certain this is also the continuous process, because in the management always manager is working on making the plan and operating that plan function of that plan. Okay, beta? So this management, this planning is continuous process. Okay, continuous. Next, planning involve decision making. Planning involve decision making. The planning, by the plan we are taking one system, we are making one process, we are making one way, and when the work which is going on exactly, if they are not going to make or follow that plan, then we are going to take the decision on the base of that plan. As like that, if you are just setting the plan, we will going to produce 200 units per day, and when the firm or factory not able to produce 200 units, then we are going to take decision how we are going to produce that 2,200 units. Then we are taking some decision, or on the basis of that plan we are taking the decision, because in that plan we are making one system, we are making the system of plan, or make the plan, and on the basis of that plan we are going to take the decision. Okay, it's helping to making the decision better. Okay, clear? Next, planning is mental exercise. Actually, that planning, in that planning you are going to think about the future, and you are not able to present that future in this present time. Okay, no? Are you able? No? Then only you are thinking the all system, all organization, all effective and ineffective things are all plan, just think in your mind only. By your mind, all the system you are present in your mind. Okay? So this planning is totally mental exercise. Why? Because we are thinking all the system, all the plan for future at that time in our mind only. All the term, condition, situation, behaviors, terms, conditions, these all we are thinking our mind only, and on the behalf of that term, condition and situation or organization or factors, we are going to make the plan. So all these things we are taking in our mind, so we are saying that the planning is the mental exercise. Okay beta, planning is the mental exercise. Okay, clear that planning is the mental exercise. Okay, now I am going for the next topic, and next topic is importance of planning. Okay beta, after the features we are going to the importance of planning. And first, planning provide direction. As like that, if you are make the planning, after the school you are going to some place, then when you are come back on school, then you are thinking if we have to go to the that place, that we are making the plan, or for that we are going to make the plan. It means it's giving to the direction to you ki go to do this work. Same way, when you are going to make the plan in business, in organization, then before the doing the work, this planning is provide some direction to you means to manager, to worker, to person, they are working in a business, go on this system, or go further this way, or work on the this way, or following of this plan. It's giving the direction. Okay, on which way, on which system you are going to operate the things. Planning direction. Okay, next is planning reduce the risk of uncertainties. I think you will know about that in first year in business. You well known about that, the risk, and every business have some risk, every organization have some risk. So by the making of planning, we are thinking about the all type of risk, all type of uncertainties, all type of factor that will affect the business, all type of other things, all type of other system, all type of other organization, all type of different situation of market. We are thinking. So we are trying to minimize the risk by the thinking or by the making of that plan, because before the doing that things we are make the plan. Okay, thinking about the all the different factors, and then we are going to make the plan thinking about all different type of uncertainties. On the basis of that we are going to make the plan. So by the planning we will reduce the risk. Okay, next, planning reduce overlapping and wasteful activities. If you make the plan for whole days, every hour plan, then your all the hour of that 24 hours, all 1 days you will utilize. And if you have no any plan, then you are moving here and there, you are not doing anything. When you are thinking, okay, go for this work, no, going for that work, then you are wasting your time. Same way, it's reduce overlapping. It means if you are operate the plan, if you are going to follow the plan, then no overlapping is there, and you are easily utilize all the time, all the resources of business, all the system of business, resource full utilization, optimum level of utilization of resources, and full time you will utilize for the productive work, for not unproductive work. Okay beta, next, planning promotes innovative idea. By the planning, actually planning we are going to make before that work now. So we will utilize a different type of new idea in that planning, because you are thinking before that work. You have some time for the utilizing or thinking about the different area, different situation, different resources, different type of ideas, different type of way, different type of plan. Okay, you are easily think about that. This planning will just promote the different type of. By the planning, if you are going, then you are easily utilize the different ideas. Okay, beta. easily utilize the different ideas. Okay. Next, planning facilitate decision making. Same. This planning is giving facility for the taking of decision, because if the person or worker or manager or anyone, they are working in that organization, they are not able to following that planning, then you are taking the decision about the system, ki how to set that system by which they are easily to follow that plan. Okay, and on the basis of that plan, they are going to take the decision, because planning is given some guideline. Planning is given some guideline. On the behalf of that guideline, if any situation is just different from that planning or any type of problem will coming in the future, so we are going to take the decision on the behalf of that plan. Next, planning is standard and control. Okay, beta. By the planning, we are set the system. We are set some standard. As like that, we are just taking the standard in 200 unit. 200 unit every day we are going to produce. Okay, that standard set by the planning, and then try to achieve that target by the utilizing of that planning, of working of that planning, of useful of that planning or operation of that planning. And if they are not able to achieve, then they are going to control on the behalf of that plan. Okay, they are going to controlling on that system that is needed for achieving that target. They are trying to motivate or utilize different things, and by which try to achieve 200 unit, and for that they are making the standard and try to controlling of that operation. Try to controlling of that operation. Okay, beta. Next, focus attention and on objective of the company. Always that planning is focusing, as like that here we are talking, making the objective. Same way we are going to in the planning, always focusing of objective of the company. That planning always focusing, always try to easily achieve the objective of company. Actually, that planning we are making for the achieving of that objective. Actually, main thing is that when the objective is set, then we are going to make the plan. At that plan, we are going to make mainly for achieving the objective that is set by the top level management or set by the company. And by the utilizing of that planning, we are easily achieve the objective. Because we are set the all system, we are going to follow the all operation, and when we are going to follow the plan, and by the following of that plan, we are easily achieve the objective of company. Okay, beta. Today we are just study about the planning, meaning, features and importance of planning. Okay, beta. Clear? If any problem, so tell me in the comment. Okay. Thank you.